Hello, my name is Primož Keket and I'm project manager at Innerspec Technologies Europe. Innerspec has more than 20 years of experience in developing roll inspection systems. And today I'm going to present the third generation system that we developed recently and incorporates all the state-of-the-art technology by Innerspec. ROLLMATE can inspect any material. For example, indefinitely chilled cast iron, high-speed steel. We can inspect any material, forged or cast, and also any dimension. Doesn't matter if it's the smallest sensor roll or the biggest backup roll. Let's start. This is the unit that we have in our head office in Madrid, and every customer is welcome to come and visit to see it. We offer two different kinds of configurations. Here we see the one where we have a separate actuator and a separate cabinet. But there's also an option to get these two incorporated into one cabinet. The sensor itself has up to 18 UT channels and 2 8 current channels. For surface crack detection, we use 8 channels, for subsurface defects 8, another 8, and for the final 2 are for normal beam inspection, which are especially useful for detection of cold shell dismount and any defects that are deeper, and also make it possible to estimate the remaining useful life of the roll itself. Having so many channels gives us the capability of high-speed inspection, which we can do even while grinding. Actually, we inspect each defect from 2 different directions. For example, clockwise and counterclockwise, because we know from experience that defects are more visible from one side, and so we make sure that we always detect every defect. To show the capability of live, we prepared a roll with different defects. It has different kind of surface defects, axial, radial at 45 degrees, fire cracks, changes in hardness, and some side drill holes to show the capability of detecting defects that are deeper inside the roll. Now I will move the sensor to position and start the inspection. We duplicated the screen to show the inspection live in greater detail. The blue area is defectless, everything with color are the defects, and the gray area is the parts so far not inspected. ROLLMATE has 2 UT sensor assemblies, so the second assembly inspects the before missed gray area. In this inspection, the roll surface speed is circa 1.6 meters per second, however the maximum possible is 2 meters per second. At the same time, the sensor moves circa 20 millimeters per rotation in the direction of the roll axis. Here you can see the inspection result. On the top is the C-scan, where all the defects are presented in different colors. Surface defects in yellow, subsurface in orange, deeper defects in pink, and defects which are essentially changes in hardness, which are detected by the eddy current sensors, are shown in purple. For each set of defects, a bar graph is selected that shows they can show the highest point of inspection in each rotation. Here you can see it for axial surface, radial surface, and also, for example, for the eddy current system where we detect the changes in hardness. All the defects can be also presented in a 3D view, where we can even rotate the roll to see where is the defect. And if we select a certain section, you can see here the position of the defects, which kind of defects and the depth of the defects. And finally, a list is automatically generated that indicates all the defects, including location and size. With this information, an inspection report in PDF format can be created. Here you can see the position in length, in degree, the length of defect, area, amplitude of the defect, and not at the end, the kind of defect. In case you're interested in a live demo, or especially nowadays very popular online demo, please write to sales@innerspec.com. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day going forward.